Is copyright registration for creative works really that complex? Imagine spending hours creating a piece of art, a song or a story, only to wonder if protecting it is a complicated maze. The truth is, copyright registration is more straightforward than many think. When you create an original work and fix it in a tangible form like writing it down, recording it, or saving it digitally, copyright protection automatically kicks in. You don't need to register to have rights, but registering gives you extra legal power. Registering your work makes it part of a public record. This is important if someone copies or uses your work without permission. Without registration, you can still sue for copyright infringement, but you might not get statutory damages or attorney's fees. These are big advantages if you need to enforce your rights. The process itself is pretty simple. First, your work must be original and fixed in a tangible medium. That means it has to be written, recorded, or saved in some way that others can see or hear it. Then, you fill out a form online or by mail. The online forms are faster and cheaper, usually costing around $50 to $75 depending on the type of work. You'll need to provide details like your name, the title of your work, and who owns the rights. Next, you submit a copy of your work. For written works, that might be a PDF or a printed copy. For music or visual art, it could be a digital file or photo. These copies become part of the public record and are generally not returned. After submitting, you pay the fee and wait. Processing times can take from a few months to longer, depending on how busy the Copyright Office is. The review process is mostly automatic. A specialist checks that your application is complete and that your work qualifies. Unlike patents or trademarks, copyright registration does not require proving your work is new or different from others. It's mainly about following the correct steps and providing the right information. Many creators find the online process easy to navigate. You don't need a lawyer, but reading the instructions carefully helps. You just need to be precise when filling out the forms and submitting your copies. The fees are clear, and the process is designed to be accessible. So, is it complex? Not really. It's a step-by-step process that, with a little attention, anyone can complete. The benefits of registration, like legal protection and a public record of your work, make it worth the effort. It's a simple way to strengthen your rights and protect your creative efforts.